Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term NK. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, NK is an abbreviation used in texting and messaging with different meanings depending on the context. People use it when they want to convey quick messages or shorthand in conversations. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. NK first showed up in the early 2000s with the rise of texting and online chat communities. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger generations and online users. Now let's check out how to use NK in a sentence. Correct example 1. I wasn't sure what NK meant in her message, so I asked for clarification. Correct example 2. Hey, just wanted to enk about the plans later. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said "ni" at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using NK right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. NK means an abbreviation used in texting with various meanings based on context. It started in the early 2000s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in messaging apps. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with NK in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.